VS Code is your editor. But to run Python, you need one more thing, the Python interpreter. And a tiny extension connects them. In this guide, you'll install Python, connect it to VS Code, and run your very first program. Let's get started.
Good news, you already have almost everything. VS Code is installed from the last video. You need a 64-bit Windows 10 or 11, or a recent Mac, an internet connection, and about 100 megabytes of free space. That's it. One thing to remember, VS Code cannot run Python by itself. Python is the engine that executes your code. The extension simply connects them.
Always download Python from the official site, python.org/downloads. The big blue button gives you the latest stable release, Python 3.14. On Windows, you'll see two options, the new Python Install Manager or the classic 64-bit installer. Either one works. Let's start with the Install Manager.
The Python Install Manager is the official tool from python.org. Click Install Python, and a terminal asks, "Do you want to install CPython now?" Type Y and press Enter. It downloads the latest version, installs it, and Python, Py, and pip are all ready. You can type N to skip the online help. That's it. Python is installed.
Prefer the classic wizard? Download the 64-bit installer and run it. On the first page, look at the two checkboxes. Make sure Add Python.exe to path is checked. This one little box is why most people get stuck later. Then click Install Now. On the final page, you can click Disable Path Length Limit to remove Windows' old 260 character limit. Then close, and Python is installed.
On a Mac, open the official installer package and click Install. It needs your administrator password. When it finishes, open the Python 3.14 folder in Applications. Here's the step almost everyone skips. Double-click Install Certificates. A terminal runs, installs the SSL certificates, and shows Successfully Installed Certify Update Complete. Without this, pip fails on secure connections. Prefer the terminal? Just run brew install Python 3.
Now open a brand new terminal and check the version. On Windows, type Python -- version. You should see Python 3.14.7. Then pip -- version. On a Mac, use Python 3 instead. Everything looks good, so let's bring it into VS Code.
In VS Code, open the Extensions view and search for Python. The first result is by Microsoft, with over 230 million installs. Click Install. It automatically installs Pylence for smart code completion, the Python debugger, and the Environments Manager. No reload needed. The bridge is ready.
Now VS Code needs to know which Python to use. Click the interpreter text in the status bar or press Ctrl-Shift-P and run. Python, select Interpreter. Pick Python 3.14.7 64-bit. The status bar now shows your interpreter and IntelliSense turns on. If your Python ever moves, use Enter Interpreter Path and browse to it.
Time for the classic. Create a file called hello.py and type print, open quotes, hello world, watch the syntax colors appear. Now click the green play button in the top right. Run Python file. The terminal opens, runs python hello.py, and prints hello world. Your setup works.
Before you go further, one pro habit: a virtual environment. In the terminal, run python-mvenv.venv. VS Code notices the new environment and asks, "Do you want to select it for the workspace folder?" Click Yes. The status bar now shows .venv. Every package you install here stays inside this project and never breaks your others.
Need extra power? Install packages with pip. In the terminal, run python-mpip install numpy. Pip downloads and installs it and shows Successfully installed. Notice the error before. Import NumPy failed with module narrator. After the install, the same import just works.
Finally, let's see debugging. Open the Run and Debug view and create a launch.json file. Choose Python Debugger, then Python File. VS Code writes the config for you. Click in the gutter next to a line to set a breakpoint. A red dot appears. Press F5. The program stops at your breakpoint, and the debug toolbar lets you step through your code line by line.
If something goes wrong, here are the 3 fixes that solve almost everything. 1. Python is not recognized. Reinstall and check add Python to path or use the py command. 2. Python was not found. Install from the Microsoft Store. Turn off the app execution aliases for Python in Windows settings. 3. The interpreter is invalid. Run Python, select interpreter, and pick the right one.
And that's the whole setup. Install Python, add the extension, select the interpreter, create a virtual environment, and run your first program. You now have a complete Python development environment in VS Code. Like, subscribe, and comment below. See you in the next one.